Am I gonna regret buying a Sportster? Probably not, because my brother's buying it. But we're gonna go see how it stacks up against my favorite bikes. My brother found a real gem of an '01 Sporty down in Huntington Beach, and we're gonna go take a little trip down there, take a look at this bike, and not sure what to expect. Seems like a good bike, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna go get him, and we're gonna take a little ride. Yo, where you at? What's up, sweetheart? What's going on? You ready to go pick up this bike?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, couple questions to ask you. What made you decide to get a Sportster?
I decided that the Sportster was the right choice because I rode your Evo Big Twin out in the desert, ridden lots of other motorcycles over the years, and loved how I had the experience I had with the Big Twin. When I went and looked at the prices, though, I just felt like these are super expensive, more than I want to pay. Sportster just seemed like the right choice, the right price.
How did you arrive on this Sportster? Like, why is this the one we're going to check out first?
This one, out of the year range that I was looking at, was the right one. Number one, because it was in the proximity that I was willing to drive to go pick it up. The year was super important because I knew that this model, there's like, over 1 million of them out there, and that would keep the price low as well. I didn't want something super low mileage because I was looking for something between 01 and 03. I wanted something that looked like it had been moved and ridden, and then just ultimately came down to the price. This one was fairly priced. I was looking for stock. I didn't want to deal with someone else's, which I learned from you. We've done that in the past, bought motorcycles that were like dealing with someone else's gremlins, and like you get Bozo, the electrician, working on it that thinks he's, he knows what he's doing, and then you have to undo and figure out all the wrong things before you can even get started. So I wanted bone stock, just so we had a running bike to start with. And that's great advice you've given me over the years.
Let's go get this bike.
All right, let's do it. See you, Jacob. So what's the story with this bike?
Just needs a new owner.
How many years?
Not years, months.
Months. So what's the reason for selling this one?
Drug habit.
Yeah, okay. Bought it, dent in the tank. Yeah, we wouldn't be using that anyway. Can we start it up?
There we go. All right, bring it in. All right. You have a motor scooter.
I do. I have a Sportster.
Oh, nice Harley-Davidson we got here.
Yes.
That it is. How did it ride?
Rode great, except it's the last time I'll buy a motorcycle in the dark, though. So big ol' dent in the tank right here.
Oh, the old scrotum warmer. I see. Yeah. Very nice.
That had to be mine. Well, I think it's time that you take this bike and chop it.
What?
Just do your thing.
No, I thought you were just going to ride it.
Oh, no. We're going to make this thing a badass chopper.
Yes. I do regret buying this Sportster. If you want to see what we do with this bike, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.